ఊట నిద్రేనా? ఆ లైట్ ఏస్తావా? ఆ లైట్ ఏస్ నమస్కారం అండి శ్రీదేవి గారు.
నమస్కారం అండి. బాగున్నారా?
బాగున్నాను నాయనా, మీరు ఎట్లా ఉన్నారు?
సూపర్ అండి.
దట్స్ నైస్, వెరీ నైస్ టు హియర్ దట్.
అదే నిన్న నేను నారాయణ అటెండ్ అవ్వలేదు, బయట ఉన్నాము, గుడికి వెళ్ళాను అనమాట. వచ్చేటప్పుడు హైవేలో సరిగ్గా వినిపించలేదు, ఇంకా సరే ఇంకా లాగ్ ఆఫ్ అయిపోయాను.
అయిపోయింది అనమాట, అది ఫినిష్ చేశారు.
16th ఫినిష్ చేస్తారా?
15th
కపిల మహర్షి కదా,
నరనారాయణీయము చేశారు కదా, అది కూడా అయిపోయింది అన్నారు. So 17th is going to start next week.
Okay.
Unless you may revise also sometimes, you know.
Yeah, that is true.
ఏమ్మా,
ఈ హిందూ టెంపుల్ ఆఫ్ అట్లాంటా అండి.
ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళారు.
మీరు ఎక్కడ ఉంటారు?
స్టాక్ బ్రిడ్జ్ ఇక్కడే, మా విలేజర్స్ అని మన మను ఉంటారు చూడండి, ఈగల్స్ హాస్పిటల్ పబ్లిక్స్ పక్కనే ఉంటాం అన్నమాట. విలేజర్స్ అని కాలనీ ఉంది.
మను గారు కూడా రాలేదు, జనరల్ గా వస్తారు.
మను రాలేదు, నిన్న కూడా రాలేదు. నిన్న వచ్చి వెళ్ళిపోయింది తను, సాయంత్రం వచ్చి సగం లాస్ట్ లో వెళ్ళిపోయింది ఆవిడ. ఇవాళ కూడా రాలేదు, ఇంకా తను రాలేదు ఏమో తెలియదు. ఫోన్ ఈ క్లాస్ చాలా మంది రారు.
అంటే కొంచెం నెక్స్ట్ డే మళ్ళీ మండే కదా, కొంచెం బిజీగా అయిపోతుంది.
కరెక్ట్. నెక్స్ట్ ఇది అయిపోయిన తర్వాత సండే పెట్టుకోకూడదు అనుకుంటా, ముందుగా పెట్టుకోవాలి 6 o'clock.
6 or 7 o'clock అని ట్రై చేసాము. శైలజ గారు కూడా పాపం చాలా ట్రై చేశారు.
అది అంటే కంప్యూటర్ ఆల్రెడీ ఫిక్స్డ్ కదా, దానివల్ల ఐ క్యాన్ చేంజ్ ఇట్ అనుకుంటా. ఈ స్పెషాలిటీ ఏంటండి?
నాదా సైకాట్రీ అండి.
మీ వారిది?
తను డాక్టర్ కాదు, తను క్లినిక్ రన్ చేస్తారనమాట. మాకు ప్రైవేట్ ప్రాక్టీస్ ఉంది.
ప్రైవేట్ ప్రాక్టీస్.
మీరు ఫిజిషియనా?
నేను రిటైర్డ్ పీడియాట్రిషియన్, మా హస్బెండ్ రిటైర్డ్ నెఫ్రాలజిస్ట్. అంటే వి వర్ ఇన్ స్మాల్ టౌన్ ఇన్ సౌత్ జార్జియా. 4 years ఇక్కడ మూవ్ అయ్యి, అంటే ఇక్కడ మాకంతా ఫ్రెండ్స్ పార్టీస్ తెలుసు అనమాట. ఇక్కడ ఉంటాడు నా నార్త్ సైడ్. వాడు ఎక్కడ వద్దు మా వచ్చేసేయండి ఇక్కడికి అంటే ఇక్కడికి మూవ్ అయ్యాను.
మీ ఇద్దరిది బిజీ ప్రాక్టీస్ అయితే.
నేను పార్ట్ టైం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి, తను బిజీ ప్రాక్టీస్. నేను ఎక్కువ పార్ట్ టైం జాబ్ చేస్తూ ఆఫీస్ రన్ చేస్తున్నాను. మీ వారు మాది రన్నింగ్ ద ఆఫీస్.
he runs the office, so it is easy.
ఈజీగా అది కష్టమే అయినా ఒక్కోసారి.
I know, అంటే నాకు అంటే it is nice we have somebody trustworthy కదా.
Correct. Because we lost a lot of money, especially with the other people managing. సో ఐ టుక్ ఓవర్.
యా యా. ఇదిగోండి మను గారికి 100 years.
ఏమి నా గురించి అనుకుంటా ఉన్నారా?
అదే మీరు రాలేదనేసి అనుకుంటున్నామండి.
నేను ఏదో భగవద్గీత చదువుకుంటా కూర్చొని ఉన్నాను. ఉపనిషత్ గంగాకి వస్తావా శ్రీదేవి? యూజువల్ గా
వస్తానండి. ఈ రోజు కొంచెం టైర్డ్ గా అనిపించే పెట్టుకుని కొంచెం.
లేదు లేదు, నేను ఊరికి అడుగుతా ఉన్నాను. నేను ఐప్యాడ్ మీద పోతా, నేను అందరినీ కూడా చూడలేను యాక్చువల్ గా.
నేను అటెండ్ అవుతాను, ఎందుకంటే బాలవిహార్కి కరెక్ట్ గా ముందు కదా 1 hour.
అవును అవును, నేను అటెండ్ అవుతాను, నాకు ఇష్టం అది చాలా. అది హనుమాన్ వైభవము, మళ్ళీ దృగ్దృశ్య వివేక, ఇంకేంటి ఈ మధ్య అంతా యాడ్ చేస్తుంది అమ్మాయి
అయితే నేను రెగ్యులర్ గా వెళ్తున్నామండి చాంటింగ్.
ఏది భగవద్గీత క్లాస్ కా?
కాదు, వేదిక్ చాంటింగ్ చేస్తున్నారు కదా.
ఓ దానికి నేను 4th దాంట్లో ఉన్నాను కదా, పోతాను నేను.
మీరు ఎప్పుడు వెళ్తారు?
సాటర్డే మార్నింగ్ 8 o'clock.
ఓకే, మంచి టైం. అది ఫ్రైడే 7 o'clock 6 o'clock కి.
అట్లా అడిగినారు మరి మీరు ఎవరో?
మారెవరో అడిగారు, నేను అట్లా జాయిన్ అయిపోయాను.
నేను ఫస్ట్ లోనే పెట్టాను, ఐఎమ్ ఏ మార్నింగ్ పర్సన్, ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ కమ్ ఇన్ ద ఈవినింగ్స్, నాకు టూ మెనీ ఉన్నాయి ఆల్రెడీ ఈవినింగ్ అని. మిగతా వాళ్ళు కూడా ఒప్పుకుని పెట్టేస్తున్నారు. సో ఇట్స్ ఓకే విత్ మీ. సాటర్డే
చాంటింగ్ లో ఏం చేస్తున్నారు మీరు?
మేధా సూక్తం అయిపోయింది ఇప్పుడు.
హలో, నమస్తే ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. జస్ట్ లిటిల్ లేట్ ప్రాబబ్లీ.
నమస్కారం.
శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. హరి ఓం.
శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. హరి ఓం.
శుక్లాంబరధరం విష్ణుం శశివర్ణం చతుర్భుజం.
శుక్లాంబరధరం విష్ణుం శశివర్ణం చతుర్భుజం.
ప్రసన్నవదనం ధ్యాయేత్ సర్వవిఘ్నోపశాంతయే.
ప్రసన్నవదనం ధ్యాయేత్ సర్వవిఘ్నోపశాంతయే.
అగజానన పద్మార్కం గజాననమహర్నిశం.
గజాననమహర్నిశం.
అనేకదం తం భక్తానాం.
అనేకదంతం భక్తానాం.
ఏకదంతం ఉపాస్మహే.
ఏకదంతం ఉపాస్మహే.
జ్ఞానానందమయం దేవం నిర్మలస్ఫటికాకృతిం.
జ్ఞానానందమయం దేవం నిర్మలస్ఫటికాకృతిం.
ఆధారం సర్వవిద్యానాం.
ఆధారం సర్వవిద్యానాం.
హయగ్రీవం ఉపాస్మహే.
హయగ్రీవం ఉపాస్మహే.
హయగ్రీవం ఉపాస్మహే.
హయగ్రీవం ఉపాస్మహే.
నమస్తుంగ శరశ్చుంబీ.
నమస్తుంగ సరశ్చుంబీ.
చంద్రచామరచారవే.
చంద్రచామరచారవే.
త్రైలోక్యనగరారంభ.
త్రైలోక్యనగరారంభ.
మూలస్తంభాయ శంభవే.
మూలస్తంభాయ శంభవే.
నమః శివాభ్యాం.
నమః శివాభ్యాం.
నవయౌవనాభ్యాం.
నవయౌవనాభ్యాం.
పరస్పరాశ్లిష్టతపోభిరాఢ్యాం.
పరస్పరాశిష్టతపోభిర్భ్యాభ్యాం.
నగేంద్రకన్యాం.
నగేంద్రకన్యాం.
వృషకేతునాభ్యాం.
వృషకేతునాభ్యాం.
నమో నమః శంకర పార్వతీభ్యాం.
నమో నమః శంకర పార్వతీభ్యాం.
Now we recite the first sloka. కళాభ్యాం చూడాలంకృత.
కళాభ్యాం చూడాలంకృత.
శశికళాభ్యాం.
శశికళాభ్యాం.
నిజతపఫలాభ్యాం.
నిజతపఫలాభ్యాం.
భక్తేషు ప్రకటితఫలాభ్యాం.
భక్తేషు ప్రకటితఫలాభ్యాం.
భవతు మే.
భవతు మే.
శివాభ్యామస్తోక త్రిభువన శివాభ్యాం.
శివాభ్యాం అస్తోక త్రిభువన శివాభ్యాం.
హృది పునర్భవాభ్యాం.
హృది పునర్భవాభ్యాం.
Anandaspuradhanubhabhyam
Anandaspuradhanubhavabhyam
Natiriyam
Natiriyam
Iyam Natihi. This is our salutation, bowing down our head before the sacred feet of Ardhanarishwara, Shiva and Parvati. Now we have been trying to know the Ananda, which is going to be Shiva Ananda, that is Shanta Prada Ananda. And so we are here, Shankararya, our Guru, is trying to describe with all metaphors the qualities, the abilities, the karuna and achievements, etc. of Lord Shiva. And for all achievements, Parameswari is also a cooperative force, but for her, he would not be able to do it. So we have known from the 34th sloka already, but every time you read the sloka, it looks very new. That's the importance. And although it has been explained or it has been studied, but sloka appears to be new. That is the nature of the poetry of Shankaracharya, or poetry in general. So in the 34th stanza, we have seen the dhairyam, the immense courage and the ability to face the difficulty and calamities. And so he is surprised. I just read once. Kim brumastava sahasam pasupate kasyasti shambho bhavadhairyam chedrusham atmanaha stitihiyam cha anyaihi katham labhyate bhrasyadjeva ganam trasanmuniganam nasyat prapancham layam asyan nirbhaya eka eva viharati Ananda Sandro Bhavan. I hope you like the style of reading, is it not? This is how we really enjoy. And these are all set for this kind of rutta, that is the meter. So as we know that Kimbro Maha, what we should do, that Tava Sahasam is adventure, then also Shambho Pasupate. Shambho, oh, you are committed to give Sham, Shanti, happiness to the world at any cost, at any cost, even risking your own personal life and family and everything, you are going to sacrifice. That's why the word Shambho. And another point is used is Pashupate. Pashu is the general public, general nature, general beings, all beings. He is there in them at the same time. He is the monitor of all of them. Then dhairyam chedrusham, idrusham dhairyam, the dhi swabhava. Dhairya involves intelligence also. Unless you have got intelligence, you cannot be bold. What is intelligence? To be able to find out the upayams, the remedies, the solutions, or that's why the dhairyam is dhi shakti. And if this Shakti is quite stabilized, we are not afraid. But if our this Shakti is not stabilized, we are very much worried and stable. That's why it is called the Dhairyam. Diyaha idrusam cha atmanaha, that is personal. And this kind of personal boldness and intelligence cannot be to anybody know but for you. But what is the problem that you have to face? It's all emergency problems. One, Devaganam Prasyat. The entire gods, galaxy of gods, they are going to die. They are going to have a broken time. One. And Trasan Muniganam. All the Muniganas, all saints and philosophers and rishis, all these people. You see, in the society, these are very important people. But for the puja, but for the homa, but for the dhyana, but for the religious activities of some people in the world, we are not like this. All people cannot, supposing the In a house where there are 10 people, there is only one person doing puja. But that one person doing the puja will help all the other 9 persons in the house. So that is the policy, and that is the grace that we are getting from the gods. Therefore, he says that Brasya Devaganam, Trasan Muni Ganam, all ganas are getting disappearing. So Munis are Maunat Muni. Actually, Munis are a little advanced philosophers and saints and practitioners of spirituality. They will not talk much. Munis don't talk much, but they just do that and they bless. And that's why Muni is topper compared to Rishis or otherwise, or that category of people. That's why we have got among Munis also, Munisu, Mahamunis. So Mahamunis are, and moreover, Rishis must also have that Muni, Maunatvam, and power inside, all that must be there. And Prapancham Layam Nasyatu. Another interesting problem is the entire Prapancham. Pancha means Panchabhutas. The Prithvi, Aptaja, Vayu, Akashas. All the Panchabhutas are also getting affected. So there is going to be a total annihilation, whereafter it is a great problem. See, if the Laya were to happen in its gradual manner, it is not affecting. But the Laya cannot happen instantaneously or abruptly. Therefore, Prapancham Layam Nasyatu. So the words Brasyatu, Trasan, Nasyatu. These are the great problems. That is Brashta. Brashtatva is getting broken. They have become so hopeless. And Trasan, they are being threatened. The Munikulas are threatened. If there is no protection extended for the spiritualists, we are not comfortable, because at least somebody is there sparing their time to invoke the power of the gods and attention of the gods for the Loka Kalyana, Lokahitam Charantaha. And also Muniganas Brasit Prapancham Layan. And looking at all that, Nirbhayaha. So Dhairyam, Nirbhayam. These are the two connected influences. If you have Dhairyam, there is no Bhayam. So unless we have got some kind of courageous boldness, we are not at all eclipsed by the Bhaya. And Ekayeva Viharati, there is no second person who can come and take share. Because dealing with the poison, nobody can accept it, and everybody will run away. If the accident happens, many people get away, but not only 1 or 2 people will help the cause. So Viharati, why? But in spite of that kind of emergency you applied, you attended, you are not at all disturbed because of all that, because you are Ananda Sandro Bhavan. Ascharya, what is it Ascharya for us is, you are filled full with the plenitude of Nanda, Ananda. A is Samantat. A Upasarga tells you A means Samantat, Nanda. That is all round happiness. There is no corner left unhappy. There is a total, otherwise it is called Sampurna Ananda. That is, there is no kind of regret or anything like that. Why? Because he is Bhavan Sandraha. Sandraha means very deep. So deep that Ananda that he has got, he is not at all afraid, and he observes but still not affected. And now the next sloka we have already done, therefore we don't want to spend more. And now Yoga Kshema Dhurandharasya Sakalaha Sreyaha Pradodyogino Drushta Matopadesha Krutino Bahyantara Vyapina Sarvajjanasya Dayakarasya Bhavata Kim Veditavyam Maya Shambho Tvam Paramantarangayati me chitte smarami anvaham. So again, the trust and responsibility by the devotee is shifted and deposited in Lord Shiva or the Paramatma, saying that when he is a Paramantaranga and when he is moving inside my body, mind and spirit, monitoring at all stages, then I am not much bothered. But what I do it is Anvaham, Anu Aham every day. Aham, Aham, Anvaham every day. Smarami. I just remember you. It is not mere remembrance. Chitte Smarami. So I want to deposit you, your memory or your smarana in my deepest heart, so that smarana will not go. Exactly what this is. Oh, today, every day, no, I think of God, no problem. No, your thinking of God is no good. You have to deeply feel for the presence and the influence of the God. It is something like Dhruva. In Bhagavatam, we get the episode of Dhruva where he got that kind of Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, and he did penance with that. Narayana came, he obliged him, and he did not ask anything other than sitting on my lap. Do you want anything more? But Dhruva never asked more. He said, no. My mommy told, my mother told, sit on the lap of Narayana. I did it, finished. I'm going back. So later on, the same Dhruva realizes that he has committed a great mistake because he could not continue to be a spiritualist. So he brought the varam or boon from Yaksha, the Yaksha Raja, the Kubera, that he must have in his mind constantly Narayana Smriti. So that is a compliment from a financier like Kubera. He got the boon that he should remember always Narayana in him. That is one thing. So even Kalanemi, even the Muchukunda, another great devotee, he also wanted the name of Narayana to be deeply remembered inside, forgetting all other outside. Now, because this God, Shiva, is Yoga Chema Dhurandharaha. He is always fond of taking care of the yoga and Chema. That is something coming and joining, and what you have is protected. What you should have, that is being added to you. And Sakala Pradodyogino Sakala Sreyaha. He is a Budyoga. What is the job of the Shiva? He is to provide Sreyas to all people equanimously, and only people have got to work it up. When something like 100 marks of a question paper, you should do working so that you will get higher percentage. Therefore, here also it is said that drishta adrishta mata apadeshaha kritino bahyantaram vyapini. He is appearing, he is disappearing. He doesn't always constantly be visible to you. He will be also invisible. So invisibly also he will be helping you. Therefore, that Paramatma is there outside and inside, and is a Vyapaka. Vyapaka means spreading and pervasive always. And Sarvajanasya Dayakaraha. So two things it means that he is there, Vyapi, outside, inside, in all people, and one. And again, he is a Dayakara. He is just extending compassion to all people. Sarvajana. Sarvajana means there is no distinction made among the people. All people born upon the land, they are all eligible for receiving the Daya of Paramatma. And so what more I can know that, but I only want that this. And now we go to the 36, because the 35 also we have covered, I think. Now we go to this 36th stanza. Please repeat. Bhakto Bhakti Gunavrute.
Bhakto Bhakti Gunavrute. Bhakto Bhakti Gunavrute.
We completed till 39, Andy.
No, I don't remember. Anyway, I'll quickly go to 39. Huh?
39
అవును 39 వరకు నా దగ్గర నా బుక్ ఇది పెట్టుంది
I
40.
know, ma. We'll jump that. We'll just read and
No,
jump.
no, it's up to you. But what Sridevi is saying is correct. That
Okay,
my
ma.
bookmark is at the 40, and I have written here as 40 next
Okay,
one.
we'll go to that. Just we'll read and go to that. I don't spend much time on this. Bhakto bhakti guna vrute mrutamruta purne prasanne manah kumbhe sambhav tavangri pallavayugam samsthapya sambitphalam sattvam mantram udirayan nija sariragara suddhim vahan punyaham prakatikaro viruchiram kalyanam apadayan. Well, see, for the sarira gruha punya vachana is being done. Now I remember. Next, amnayam budhi आदरेण सुमनः संघाः समुज्यतु समुद्यन्मनो मन्थानं दृढभक्तिरज्जुसहितं कृत्वा मथित्वं ततः सोमं कल्पतरुं सुपर्वसुरभिं चिन्तामणिं धीमतां नित्यानन्दसुधां निरन्तर रमा सौभाग्यम् अतन्वते प्रपुण्याचलमर्गदर्शितसुधामूर्तिः प्रसन्नः शिवः सोमः सद्गुणसेवितो मृगधरः पूर्णास्तमोमोचकः चेतः पुष्करः लक्षितो भवति चेत् आनन्दपाथो निधिः प्रागल्भ्येन विजृम्भते सुमनसां नृत्यं तथा जायते. Yes, धर्मो मे चतुरङ्घ्रिकः सुचरितः पापं विनाशं गतं कामक्रोधमदादयो विगलिताः कालाः सुखाविष्कृताः ज्ञानानन्दमहौषधिः सुपलिता कैवल्यनाथे सदा मान्ये मानसपुण्डरीकनगरे राजावतं से स्थिते. So this we can just touch that dharmo me chaturanghrikah sucharitah papam vinashangatam. So the dharma artha kama mokshas, and we have observed all the dharmas, whatever it is adhered, and papam vinashangatam, the papam, the sin or that activity that fetches us downfall, unhappiness, and so that also is removed. Kama, krodha, madadaya, vidalitaha. We try to remove or shake away the shatrus. Kama, krodha, lobha, moha, mada, matsarya. I hope you know the rest. Kama, krodha, lobha, moha, mada, matsarya, moha. So all these are mada. Matsarya is mada. All that also vigalitaha. We lost all of them. And kalaha, sukha, vishkrutaha. Then we have spent our time with happiness. And gnanananda mahoshadihi suparita kaivalyanathe sadha. So that aushadhi, Jnanananda is taken as an aushadhi, medicine. It's a wonderful idea. See, Shankararya could only give you that Jnanananda as a medicine. Similarly, in the Annapurna Ashtakam, Shankaracharya says, what is the last one? Annapurne, Sadapurne, Shankara Pranavallabhe, Gnana Vairagya Siddhartham, Bhikshan Dehi Parvati. In there, Gnana Bhiksha, Vairagya Bhiksha, he asks. So the same is Sankara here, because whenever we come across the works by name Sankara, we want to identify whether that Sankara and this Sankara be the same or different. So here, Jnanananda Mahaushadhi. It is a great Jnanananda is a absolutely high solution, right solution, and Shiva is the Kaivalyanatha. That is, he is an authority to provide Kaivalya, that is moksha, Kevalata. So that you will be independently relieved and you will be alone. You will not be attached by any more enticements. So that is a Atmananda. That is a state when you can enjoy your own Ananda. Generally, many people are there who cannot be happy when they are alone. They need to switch on the TV or radio or mobile companionship. But if you are able to remove that kind of habit to be able to enjoy your own inner self joy, that is itself is a great thing. That's why this is Kaivalyanathe Sada. And Manasa Pundarika Nagare Rajavatamse Sthite Manye. So I want to stay in that Nagara, Pundarika Nagara. And so that is what that is again the Kaivalya Nagara, and I want to have that. So we are going to get the Ananda defined slowly in number of terms. That's what is the target of Shankara when he talks about Ananda, because already in our Upanishads there is plenty of Ananda Mimamsa trying to assess the levels of Ananda, the experience of Ananda, and also these two referring to Manushya Ananda and Gandharvananda, Manushya Gandharvananda, Devananda, ultimately Brahmananda and Parabrahmananda. Like that, we have in Upanishad a measuring rod for that. And now we will go to 40. Please repeat. Dhiyantrena.
Dhiyantrena. Dhiyantrena.
Vacho ghatena.
Vacho ghatena. Vacho ghatena.
Kavita kulyopakulyakramaihi.
Kavita kulyopakulyakramaihi. Kavita kulyopakulyakramaihi.
Anitaischa sadashivasya.
Anitaischa sadashivasya. Anitaischa sadashivasya.
Charitamborasi.
Charitamborasi. Charitamborasi.
Divyamrutaihi.
Divyamrutaihi. Divyamrutaihi.
Hrutkedarayutascha.
Hrutkedarayutascha. Hrutkedarayutascha.
Bhakti kalamaha.
Bhakti kalamaha.
Is it kalamaha for you also?
Kalamaha. Kalamaha.
Bhakti kalamaha safalyam atanvate.
Bhakti kalamaha safalyam atanvate. Bhakti kalamaha safalyam atanvate.
Durbhikshan mama sevakasya bhagavan.
Durbikshan mama sevakasya bhagavan. Durbikshan mama sevakasya bhagavan.
Vishvesabhiti krutaha.
Vishvesabhiti kutaha. Vishvesabhiti kutaha.
So this is a beautiful metaphorical expression. So we are all afraid of durbhiksham, drought, famine. So when there is the Vishveshwara, Sadashiva, Bhagavan, and when I am the Sevaka to the Vishvesha, then Durbhikshat Mama Bhiti Kutaha. Whenever you want to interpret the slokas, go from the last line, go up, up, up. That is the method, so that you can easily catch up. If you were to come from beginning, you may not be able to be comfortable. So you understand what is subject matter which our Shankara is trying to drive here, that subhiksha, bhiksha, subhiksha, durbhiksha. So bhiksha is that which is given freely. Nobody, bhiksha means free given. And that's why Annapurneshwari has been asked to give free food. Mata Annapurneshwari. So bhiksham dehi. So bhiksham dehi means please give me, that is the alms which will subsist me. And that bhavati bhiksham dehi is being taught to us when we are 8 years and more, before 16. That would be our principle of life, going after begging everybody for this. So durbhiksha means absence of that. Subhiksha means more and more of that bhiksha. Bhiksha also means ahara. For what ahara? Ahara is for happiness, for health management, and many, many things, because food is the most important root or base for either happiness or unhappiness or otherwise. But durbhiksha is something which we cannot afford, but there cannot be durbhiksha. Sola Vishveshaha Bhagavan Sevakaha Aham. So I am going to be Sevaka. To be a Sevaka, for that, what are the equipments? There are metaphors. One, yantra, pata, and yantra, ghata, kulya, upakulya, and charitambodhi, divyamrutam, and hrut kedaram, and bhakti kalamaha, sabhalyam atanvate. Is an agricultural operational count. See, if you want to make a harvest, you have got to go through all this. One is yantra, ghata, consider these words. Then you can talk about the metaphors, that yantra is the machinery, ghata is the part, kulya is the water flow canals, canals and small canals and big canals regularly, and all that will be filled up into that Sadashiva Charita Ambaha. So Ambaha is the water. And what is the water? The wonderful life history, achievements, eminence, qualities, identifications, etc. of Sadashiva. So Shiva Mahatmya, Shiva Leela, all that conduct and character of Shiva is water, Ambaha, and Amrutaihi Rasihi. So you are able to collect the Divya Amrutam. Then what is that? Kedara. Kedara means rice fields. Kedaranath means Paramashiva is the guardian of food crops. So we have got Kedara Kshetram, Kedareswara temple, and that is why Lord Shiva is only the provider of food and everything he does. So when you say Namas Bhagavan Vishveswaraya Mahadevaya Triyambakaya Tripurantakaya Trikagnikalaya Kalagnirudraya Neelakanthaya Mrityunjayaya Sarveswaraya Sadashivaya. So right from Vishveswara he goes to Sadashiva. And that Shiva, so Hrut Kedara Yutaha and Bhakti Kalamaha Atanvate Safalyam. So now let us talk about the first words. What is the yantra to get Kaivalya? Your intelligence, your buddhi. That's why you make a prayer. Dhiyo yona prachodayatu. That is the Gayatri mantra is so famous because there is no desire in that. Because it is only asking the sharpening of your intelligence with which you will be able to make your own attainments. That's why Dhi is a yantra. Dhi yantrena. And Vachaha Gata. Gata is container. Gata is the kumbha. Gata is the pitcher. Pitcher. Or Gata is the part. Then what is the part here? Vachaha. So Dhi Vachaha. That is words of praise of Lord Shiva. That will be. And if you are able to do that, Kavita, you have to bring it out. Kavita is compositional skills. And the compositional skills upon the characterizations on praise of the God will be like Kulya, Upakulya, Krama. Kulya means canal, water canal. Upakulya is smaller than, which will come and join that bigger Kulya. So Kulya is the water canals and water places, and Kramaihi and Anitaischa Ambharasihi. So Divyamrutaihi Ambhorasihi Anitaihi. We have, because you have to water the agricultural lands, and therefore you brought the Divya Amruta Ambhorasi in the form of the, metaphorically, Sadashivasya Charitam. The history, life history and achievements of Sadashiva, all that is being done. And our heart is a Kedara. Krut Kedara means which is the field where you can grow, harvesting, is your own heart. Therefore, heart is the seat of emotions. Heart is seat of number of things. And you can fix the Paramatma's stature in your heart. Hridistho Devaha Krishnaha. Hruddeshe Arjuna Tishtati. So that Hridaya, the heart or the chest area, is Kedara Yutaha. And many people are there, and therefore many Kedaras are there. And all the Kedaras are being monitored and supplied with the necessary stuff by Paramatma. And bhakti is the harvest. And that kind of bhakti, the kalama bhakti, saphalya madanvate. So when you have done some such wonderful processing to bring up the harvest of bhakti in top importance, then when you show so much complete identity of bhakti or devotion, appreciation, admiration, and remembrance, etc., to the Vishvesha, who is Bhagavan, Ishvara, then Durbhikshan Mama Sevakasya Bhagavan Vishvesha Bhiti. So I don't have any kind of bhiti about Durbhiksham. That means my failure in my spiritual pursuits. What is Durbhiksha? Subhiksha is to get emancipation, and you are right on the righteous path. That's why you make a prayer to Agni every time. Agni Naya Supatharaye Asman. So Namanellarnu, all of us need be led in the Supatha, Sanmarga. Therefore, Sevakasya, Sevaka is service. And what is that Sevaka? He will not have any personal things to include when he is doing the job of a master. You look at Anjaneya, Sri Rama Seva, Sri Ramapada Sevaka, Sevakaya, Anjaneyaya Namaha. That is the last name of Anjaneya Ashtotra Sanamaya. గిరి గారు ఎప్పుడైనా జ్ఞాపకం వచ్చిందా మీకు?
చెప్పండి.
ఇప్పుడు ఆంజనేయ స్వామి దాన్ని అష్టోత్తర శతనామాలు చదివారా?
లేదండి, చదవలేదండి.
Now you go and touch, then you will see, because Anjaneya is our big inspiration and role model. Why he is role model? He has not done anything for his personal upliftment. Is there any gain for him? No. He is always words Jayat Yatibalo Ramo Lakshmanascha Mahabalaha Raja Jayati Sugrivo Raghavena Hiparitaha Dutoham Kosarendrasya Rabasya Klishtakarmanaha Hanuman Shatru Sainyanam Nihanta Marutatmajaha. In this declaration or proclamation which Hanuman does in Alanka boldly before all Rakshasas, is there any personal gain mentioned there?
No.
No. That is what we have to learn from them. Here also, the word sevaka means niswartha sevaka. Swartha rahitavagirava. I mean, when we make service, not expecting anything. And then God will give you really rewards. Therefore, Swarthatva has got to be given up. Therefore, only those people who give up the Swartham, look at only the Parartham, such people are called Sevaka. And even in Kalahasti, in the Sri Sailam, Mallikarjuna Stuti, that Durjati also says, Sri Giri Mallikarjuna Vibham Seve Sivalingitam. So Sivalingitam, Seve, but the word there is a Seva. So I want to surrender any and everything. Have you gone to Sri Sailam? No. Very good. Prabharambika, Sri Sailam. Anyway, we conducted an India conference in Sri Sailam 3 days, and more than 250 delegates all over the country came, and we had very nice time. The World Association of Vedic Studies. First time the Vedic conference was brought from north downward, down Sri Sailam, under the banner of World Association for Vedic Studies. I was also responsible for that, to link up all people and see that we had the privilege of staying in Sri Sailam. And there is a Sri Vidya Veda Pathsala there, and they will provide any and everything, 10 years course, and free for all boys. So Sri Vidya Veda Pathsala is there. If anybody is interested to join, you can always think of them. I was on the advisory committee for some time, like that. But anyway, so there, I just say, Sri Giri Mallikarjuna Vibham Sivalingitam. Look at it, Sivalingitam, Seve. Like that, that Seva Shabda is important. Why? Because Seva Dharmaha Paramagahanaha Yoginam Apyagamyaha. It is said that the Seva Dharma is very, very, very tough. And Paramagahanaha and Yoginam Apyagamya. Even the yogins don't know how to please Paramatma, and we don't know what makes them really pleased. I don't know whether you remember, Olga, that Rita put a question. Is all what we are doing right one, and gods are pleased with this? We are doing some puja, we just beat our own cheeks and say Aparadham Chamaswa, and all these gestures we do. But is it going to be a real thing? But the belief is that whatever karma karo mitattadakalam shambho tavaradhanam, whatever karma I do it, it is going to be the aradhana of Shiva. So like that, bhakti will bring people yoga, kshema, and as a result, Paramatma, Bhagavanta, will automatically take hold of us, and the upakaranas. In fact, this morning, I don't know if you attended the sessions anytime this morning. You had some other program, but anyway, I will send you the recorded link. Please listen to that beautiful program about Surya Bhagavan, very much pictorial presented. But I had, by the time my chance came, I could not speak much, so I had to round it up. Anyway, the first 2 lectures are really wonderful. Manu Garu, you just listen to that and then give past remarks. It's a beautiful program. And again on Tuesday, we have got one more program in the morning, and that's about Bhishma Ekadasi. I will send the flyer for you, can share to our friends, if not, you attend. So, Durbhiksham mama sevakasya bhagavan Visvesa bhitihi kutaha. I don't have fear when you take hold of me. I hope you understood everything here. So all these yantras are there, but all the yantras I don't want. Whatever content I got, for example, the Dhi, Vachaha, Kavita, then Charitambhodhi, Charitambha, and Amruta, then Hrut, Kedara, and Bhakti, Kalama, then Sapalyam. So all these things will take, will make Lord Shiva to be pleased, and I will be a good sevaka. The next one.
Anitaischa inka bhakti kalama. ఒకసారి explain చేస్తారా?
Bhakti again metaphorical is kalama, the crops.
Oh, crops.
Harvesting. So bhakti kalama, this kalama is that I am going to get that kind of kalama is the harvest, the rice fields, and sapalyam. I hope you understood all that. You enjoy. Now he is trying to talk to us through metaphors. Now, papotpata vimochanaya.
Papotpapa vimochanaya. Papotpapa vimochanaya.
Manu garu meer kuda cheppandi, baaguntundi note ninda.
అంటే వాళ్ళది నాది ఎక్కువ అవుతుందని నేను ఇక్కడ చదువుకుంటానండి. నా దగ్గర శివానందలారి బుక్ ఉంది.
ఓకే అండి.
మనుగారు మీరు చెప్తారండి, చెప్పండి.
లేదు లేదు పర్వాలేదు గిరి, నేను నా దగ్గర బుక్ ఉంది.
సరే,
చదువుతా ఉన్నాను, బుక్ చదువుతా ఉన్నాను మీతో కూడా.
ఓకే అండి. Shiva is listening. I do not. Shiva is, and he is becoming happy. And he will be removing us from the fear of Durbhiksha. We will be always enjoying the Subhiksha. What is that Bhiksha? Bhakti Bhiksha. See, if we have got that Bhakti Bhiksha from God, we don't want anything more. We can completely focus and concentrate our attention upon Him. Now, Papotpata Vimochanaya.
Papotpata vimochanaya. Papotpata vimochanaya.
Ruchiraiswaryaya.
Ruchiraiswaryaya. Ruchiraiswaryaya.
Mrityunjaya.
Mrityunjaya. Mrityunjaya.
Stotradhyana mati pradakshinaha.
Stotradhyana nati pradakshinaha. Stotradhyana nati pradakshinaha.
Saparyalokana karnane.
Saparyalokana karnane. Saparyalokana karnane.
Jihva chitta sirandhri. Sirondhri.
Jihva chitta sirongri. Jihva chitta
shirongri.
Hastanayana srotraihi.
Hastanayana shrotraihi. Hastanayana shrotraihi.
Aham prarthito.
Aham pradhito. Aham pradhito.
Mam agnapaya.
Mam
Agnapaya. Mam
Agnapaya.
Tannirupaya.
Tannirupaya. Tannirupaya.
Mameva mameva chaha.
Muhur mameva mameva chaha. Muhur mameva mameva chaha.
What a beautiful composition. You are enjoying the poetry, the rhyme and rhythm, and the ideas that our Shankara Guru is doing. And In Saundarya 27 sloka, there he has given also 13 modes of worship. Through which Amma will be happy.
जपो जल्प शिल्प सकलमपि मुद्रा विरचना गति प्रादक्षिण्य कमना असन्यादो विधि प्रणम संवेश सुखम अखिल आत्मात्मना दृश सपर्याय पर्याय तव भवतु यन्मे विलसितम्
यन्मे विलसितम् सपर्या पर्याय. So vilasitam me vilasitam. Whatever is convenient for me, all these 13 modes should become a part of seva. You should agree all that, and you be satisfied, and you show your karuna samudra drishti upon us. That's what is the appeal for Amma in Saundarya. Now the same tempo for his own Shiva also, he submits to prayer in this manner. That in fact, Shivaparasa Samapana Stotra, there also he has got the dudukus that anybody would have it, and all those dudukus have got to be, or the follies or mistakes and sins have got to be removed and made the bhakta pure and give the kaivalya. That's what we have to make prayer. But here in this also he has given the modes. Look this. Papot papa vimochanaya mameva me ma avachaha. So, my dear God, O Paramatma, I have got to always get rid of the hurricane of sin upon me. I want to be that. So, utpatas are the tempests or the calamities coming with great speed and force, something like tsunamis. So the papa is disease. When some kind of ailment comes, the emergency will be more, because the doctor can wait. You can wait for both of them meeting, but the complaint won't wait. Therefore, your room people run. Minute by minute, second by Manu Garg tells me, every minute it can make havoc in the body. And see that it is giving a lot of. That's why any papa is a roga, papa is a disease, papa is discomfort, papa is a fall and broken heart, etc. That would be a utpata. It will be very virulent attack. That kind of attack has got to be silenced. That's what is vimochanaya. In order to get it, that's why even Krishna says, Artho Jignasuratharthi Gnani Bharatar Shabha, you remember. And in Vishnu Sahasranamam also, who will approach, then Vyasin, those people who have got problem, they only approach him ordinarily. They're also Artha, beginning from Arthas. So Papotpata means Arthas. Those who have got relief. And Vimochanaya, we want to get rid of that. We no more want sin, we no more want all that. Something like Agastya Maharshi. See, Agastya is one who has given up or made tyaga of the sins. Then Ruchira Aiswaryaya, people make worship to God to get comfortable Aiswarya. Ruchira means well-liked, bright, brilliant, prosperous, long-standing, etc. That kind of wealth you want. Another thing is Mrutyunjaya. So this addressal to Shiva, who is a Mrutyunjaya. And for him, what are the other things that we can do? Stotra, reciting the praises, stotras, dhyana, sitting in solitary state, meditating upon the God, or nati, making sashtanga namaskara or panchanga namaskara, and somehow you bow down your head, submit yourself that I don't have any ego, I am absolutely at your feet, something like saying Shiva, Sankara, Shambho yat karma karomi, tattadakhilam Shambho tavaradhanam. Whatever karma I am doing, Shambho, is only as a part of worship to you. And again, Pradakshinyam, that is going on round, perambulations. And Saparya is making a Shodasobachara Puja or Panchovachara Puja or Yakovachara Puja and all that. Then Alokana, you keep on gazing at the image, at the Paramatma internal and externally. And Akarnane, you keep on listening to the stories, songs, bhajans, etc., all that of the sung after in praise of the Devatas. And Jihva, Chitta, Sira, Angri, Hasta, Nayana, Srotraihi, Prarthitaha. I am trying to reach you up by making gestures of prayer through my tongue, through my heart, mind, through my head, through my feet, through my hands, through my eyes, through my ears, and I am trying to put forth my prayers to you. It means all Indriyas, all are cooperative to make worship to you. Therefore, what you should do, my Bhagavan, Mam Agna Paya Tannirupaya Muhu Mame Avachaha. So now I am absolutely surrendering and staying before you. Please try to order me, Adnapaya, order me, and Nirupaya, prove me again and again that my words of praise are always acceptable to you. And Avachaha, me Avachaha, Muhu Nirupaya. So here, inside the Acharya Shankara is telling, I want to get rid of the Papotpata one, and I want to, other than that, Murchindaya, I want to have Aishwarya, and I will do all these modes of worship, forms of worship to the feet, and let there not be diversion of bhakti in me. Avachaha means not at all remembering the name of the God in heart. We have to be always bending our mind to remember him. So me avachaha muhu mameva. So this is what Shankara tells, that Papa Vimochanam, and is an important basic requirement, that you will be getting rid of the bhiti and other things, and then you will, and God must give you the mind, inner mind, that your mind will like praising him, will like to go around him, and so on. So this is one of the beautiful slokas where the bhakta submits to the feet of the Lord, that whatever that you have gifted me, eye, ear, etc., all that is completely dedicated in praise to you. So now I am under your disposal. Please grant me happiness or Aishwarya. That what is the Ruchira Aishwarya? Moksha. Don't think that is a paper note or anything like that. It is Ruchira Aishwarya. Yeah. Not only Papa Nashanam and Moksha Sadhanam or Moksha Prapti. These are the only two things in which people are got to be sandwiched. So unless the Papa Vimochanam happens, there is no Moksha Prapti. To get the Moksha Prapti, you have to have a Papa. You know, for example, Mahabharata, there is beautiful contrasting situations introduced. Therefore, Mahabharata is called as the Moksha Shastra. Moksha Shastra. Not only Moksha Shastra is not only Mahabharata is Moksha Shastra, but also the rasam, the rasa or sentiment of the entire Mahabharata is Shantam. Therefore, Shanta rasam.
Is it called Panchama Veda also?
Yeah, Panchama Veda also, because of the completeness in this Veda. So these are all Panchama Veda, 4 Vedas are there. It becomes a Panchama Veda because all that told in Vedas, positive, negative, otherwise, has been very well illustrated in Mahabharata. Therefore, it has got the status of Veda, Panchama Veda, while Ramayana is Veda itself. There is no Panchama or in numbering, no number attribution for Ramayana. That's why it's called Veda, Sakshat Vedatmana, Sakshat Ramayanatmana. Ramayana is Veda and Rama is Veda Purusha, who have got to be sought in the Vedas. Veda Vedye Pare Pumsi Dasta Jate Dasarathatmade Vedaha Prachetasa Dasit Sakshat Ramayana Atmana. That is what it is there. Ramayana Atmana Sakshat. So Sakshat Ramayana, Sakshat Veda is Ramayana. Sakshat Pare Purusha is Rama. But in Mahabharata, though that Pare Purusha is there, but miscellaneous people are there. So these miscellaneous people are important for making the Shantarasa to come up. Therefore, Moksha Shastra it is, but Ramayana, Mahabharata. And Bhagavata is a Vedanta Grantha, Hamsa Samhita, where your ideas and approaches, everything is different. So Bharata, Ramayana, Bhagavata, these are all very important texts which will give us plenitude of jnana in all respects, mundane, super mundane, extra mundane. We stop here. Om Swasti.
Swasti.
Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu.
Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu.
Sarvam Sri Matrucharanaravindarpanamastu.
Sarvam Sri Matrucharanaravindarpanamastu.
Om Tat Satu.
Om Satu. Thank you. Santosham.
You have no questions? Understood.
Why Shiva is called Durchati?
Pardon?
Why Shiva is called the Durchati? Durchati.
Durjati, na? He has got the tuft of hair, Kabardas, to bear Ganga. So, Jati is the Jada. Du is the something like bearing all strain and weights and all that. That's what Durjati. And maybe another definition, immediately I'm getting this, referring to his tough, what's called hair. ఆయనకున్నటువంటి జటాజూటము ఎవరికి ఉండలేదు, అంత పవర్ఫుల్ జటాజూటం ఎవరికి లేదు. Shiva alone is one because, and the reason they say that Shiva has no mother. Had he mother would have trimmed him very well. Nobody to comb his hair, so it became matted hair.
Because
and moreover, Ganga was let loose down the earth in 3 strands. And so much Ganga was there. So it's called Dhurjati. Dhu is that particular yoke which will be put upon the 2 bulls. And that kind of strength is there for the Jatala or Jata or that tuft of hair of Lord Shiva. But while Parvati stresses, hair locks are so soft and mrudu and scenting that it doesn't require anything. So there's an absolute contrast between the hair of Shiva and hair of Parvati.
I know only Durjati as the Kavi, the one who has written Kalahastiswara Mahatyam and Kalahastiswara Shatakam.
My mother's maiden name is Durchati. Is a 13th generation, my great-grandfather.
Who?
Durjati?
Yes.
15th, 16th century poet.
I know.
Because he has given an agraharam near Kalahasti is called Guttipudi. My great-grandfather's house is there.
Yeah. No, when you said about Durjati, I just remembered that is the one I remember. When I hear
Durjati is a wonderful poet. And
Yeah.
claimed to be as the contemporary of Senal Ramakrishna in Krishnadevaraya Asthanam.
Yeah.
Durjati was also there, one of the Ashtadigajas.
Mm-hmm.
So So they used to cut jokes about Durjati, Tenali Ramakrishna, and other. So it was really interesting. Heart, listen. See, there was one beautiful poem also. How could Durjati could get such a terse flow of kavita? Then suddenly Ramakrishna gets up and says, I used to recite the sloka, Padyam, but our Krishna Mohan ji will be knowing that, but I had to recall that because when in 9 days I used to recite, listen, the Kavita Vaibhava, how Durjati got it, Atulita Madhuri Mahima. Like that, there is one song talking about the poetical skills of Durjati, and there is a fun about it. And I think I will just try to collect. But you can next time Gita class will come, I will make him recite the sloka. I'll request him to do it. But Durjati is a very powerful Telugu poet. Not only in the Ashtadhyayi that time, he has made a wonderful poet. Durjati Kavita Saurabham. And that Durjati is not the person's name, it is a Shiva's name.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, namaskaram andi.
Thank you.
ఓకే నమస్కారం అండి. గుడ్ నైట్.